Hey man, what's up?
Hey, oh, you're here. What's up? So you caught me in a really bad time though, because I'm just trying to check the car. Because again, as you all know, the car doesn't really run when you leave it in storage for a lot of months. And you know, aside that it's new, so there's only one problem for that if the car doesn't run and it's new. So it's the battery.
Luckily, let me just explain to our viewers there. Camera. Conveniently
placed there.
But you know how our jobs are, right? As you know, automotive journalists, we have cars every week. So we tend to leave our personal cars, you know, aside for quite a while.
Yes.
Thus, this happened. Luckily, we have friends from TUFLONG that send us batteries for this car.
Yeah. So nice that you just have that there, you know, randomly. And I didn't see it. So
oh no, this is not really planned at all.
Yeah. But okay, just going back to your point here. TUFLONG, I've only heard of them now. So if you could tell me more about it first before I put it in the car.
I'm glad you asked. So TUFLONG's top-of-the-line automotive battery engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability for your vehicle. Say goodbye to worries about starting your engine or facing electrical issues on the road. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade to TUFLONG's automotive battery today and experience the difference firsthand. Your car deserves nothing but the finest.
Okay, thank you, James, for that quick introduction regarding TUFLONG battery. Now moving forward, here are 5 general maintenance tips on taking care of your automotive battery. Number 1 is regularly inspect. Now check your battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if needed. Next is secure the battery. Now ensure your battery is properly fastened to prevent vibrations that could cause damage. Number 3 is check the charge. Use a voltmeter to check the battery's charge level regularly. Next up is drive regularly. Now short trips can drain your battery, so take longer drives to ensure it recharges properly. And lastly is to turn off accessories. Now when your engine is turned off, make sure to turn off the lights, radio, and other accessories to prevent draining the battery.
So there you have it, guys.
There you are.
If you have battery troubles, switch to TUFLONG batteries today.
Yes, because there's a lot of benefits that comes out of it. Like for example, the most important thing, it's affordable.
Yes, and longer life.
Yes,
compared to other batteries.
Exactly. And not to mention, it has enhanced reliability.
Really?
Yes, because in today's times, you know, all we really want in life is something very reliable. So, you know, if it's really reliable, then it's definitely good.
You know what else I want from battery?
Yeah.
High power.
Oh, yes, of course, high power. And lastly, because it is automated production.
TUFLONG batteries are built in Japan.
In Japan, because you know, it's Japan. There you have it.
So there you have it, guys. Really, thank you to TUFLONG Philippines, our friends from TUFLONG Philippines.
Thank you.
Thank you for sending this. Please send more.
We would always love to experience them firsthand. So you guys would have like a testimony from us that it's really good. Because it is really good.
Oh, and one more important thing that I want to say before this video ends is the warranty. So we just want to clarify that TUFLONG batteries, if your car is flooded, it does not have warranty. So hindi kasama sa warranty yung ma-flood yung car mo. So yung battery mo is not, you know, considered to be replaceable.
Yes.
You need to buy another one. But still,
it's just for worst case scenarios
scenarios.
That. Anything else before we end the video?
No, that's it.
All right, cool. All right. So thank you for tuning in, and then see you again soon.
Thank you. Catch.
Hey!